Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this tutorial, I will show you how to change a photo angle using Pippit AI. So Pippit AI is an AI creative tool that will help you to create any AI content or AI designs. And in here, we will use this tool to turn your photo angle. And if you want to try this tool, you can just check the link in the description or pin comment to access this tool. And okay, let's get started. First, just open Pippit AI. And then next, in here, just go to Image Studio and choose AI Designs. And then next, just upload your photo that you want to transform like this. Like this, and then next just type your prompt. For I already prepared my prompt like this. Like you can just copy my prompt, like change the perspective of this photo into a realistic right side profiles like this. You can just adjust the sides that you want, and after that just choose your AI model in here, and then just choose your ratio and then resolutions. After that just tap on submit. Okay. Okay, like this you can see it. You can Your photo will transform into a realistic side angle variations with the new angles like this. And I think the result it looks so good. It's still giving the original look or original presence appearance like this. You can see it. It's really like the original photo like this. And okay, that's it. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you.